Hello everybody and welcome back to a brand new video. So today I'll be showing you how to install OptiFine for Minecraft. So really quick before the video starts, over 90% of the people who watch my videos aren't subscribed. So if you're part of that 90%, please consider subscribing. And when you subscribe, make sure you click the bell icon next to the subscribe button. Anyway, let's get started. So I made a video a while ago about how to reset the nether in Minecraft. And it looked like a lot of people liked that video and found it helpful. So I thought I'd make another video about Minecraft. It's still kind of related to technology and stuff like that. So anyway, OptiFine is a mod or a modification that you can install for Minecraft that basically just helps with certain graphics and helps it run better on computers. Like my computer isn't the best for running games, but OptiFine really helps Minecraft run smoother and gives me better frames per second. So yeah, I'm going to show you how to install it. So the current version of Minecraft is 1.16.1, but OptiFine hasn't been released for that version yet. So I'm just going to be using 1.15.2, but it should be the same for whatever version you're using. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to your web browser of choice, and you're going to go to optifine.net. And here's the website. So you can see there's a lot of information here about all the different features. And what you're going to do is you're going to go to downloads. And you can see that the latest version is Minecraft 1.14.4. But I'm going to be using 1.15.2. So what you need to do is you need to click on preview versions, and then you'll see there's OptiFine 1.15.2. But these are previews, so they're not complete. So use it at your own risk because it may cause issues in your game. But if you're okay with using a preview, you can go ahead and download it. So once you click it, you're going to get this ad thing, and you can just skip it. And now you get the actual download page. So just FYI, the download process is the same, whether you're using a preview version or a stable version, whatever, it's all the same. So once you get to this page, you're going to click on this download button, and you can see it's downloading a .jar file. And it's going to redirect you, so just X out of that. So yeah, you're done with the website. And it's going to say it can harm your computer. I'm going to click on keep, and then I'm going to click on the file and run it. So now you're going to click on install, and it says successfully installed. So now if I open up the Minecraft launcher, you can see that I will have a profile for OptiFine. So I have the regular one and then I have OptiFine. So if I run Minecraft with this OptiFine profile, I'll be basically using the OptiFine mod, which is supposed to enhance your Minecraft experience. So yeah, I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please consider subscribing to the channel. Anyway, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.